Good morning. We are going to finish up lesson 45 by doing the practice set. You have some blank paper on your journal. I am just going to draw directly on my digital book. Do not draw on your regular book, okay? So I want you to take a moment, write some things down on your blank paper in your journal. If you need an extra sheet, go for it, and then we will correct. So hit pause. Do these problems and then come back. Okay, now that you've been working your tail off and working really hard, let's begin. 8 minus 4, 4 plus 2, we know that that is 6. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. Let's see, I'm going to scroll this down so you can see it. 8 minus 4 is, I have to think about it, 4. Plus 2 equals 6. 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 10 multiply 2 times 2 times 3 is 6. We start that first. Plus 10 is 16. We do the parentheses first here. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 multiplied by 3 is 90. We just tack on a 1 because we know that 3 times 3 is 30. Or 3 times 3 is 9, and then we tack on a 0. We need to compare. I can see already, before I even mess with this, that this is following the associative property of addition, and I know that these are going to be equal. But to be safe, I'll just try it. 7 plus 2 is 9, and 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9. So this is 9 equals 9. Once more, I can see that this is going to be the associative property of multiplication, and it will be equal. I also know that both sums are going to be, it looks like 60, because I know that 3 times 4 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60. Letter I, what property of addition and multiplication is shown in the comparison problems G and H? Guys, I already gave it away. It's the associative property here. One is of addition, one is of multiplication. Our next thing, the length of RS is 4 centimeters. So guys, you want to know this. The length of RT, that's the whole thing, is 10. What is the hint? What is the length of ST? We know that we're going to need to subtract 4 centimeters from 10 centimeters, and we know that this length then will be 6 centimeters. This is another thing that Saxon likes to throw in, is talking about radius and diameter. Do not be fooled. What segment is this figure? Appears to be the diameter of the circle. Remember, diameter cuts through the radius and goes all the way to the other side. Diameter is from side to side, cutting through, intersecting your radius. Don't be fooled by that. We know that then the radius or the diameter of this segment is going to be L. Is that a J or an I, guys? I believe it's LJ. LJ or JL. Which segments are perpendicular? Remember that we've got, so the segments that are perpendicular are LJ and MK. And MK. And notice I'm putting a line over it. That lets me know that it's a segment. Refer to the figure in example 5 and name 2 segments that are parallel to BC. And I am thinking that that is earlier in the lesson, so we're going to scratch that. I hope that if you have any questions, will you please let me know? I wish you well.